Presenting the iQOO 7 5G smartphone, engineered not only for giving a premium look but also to please your hands. This smartphone is available in two color variants, Solid Ice Blue and Storm Black. The iQOO 7 is available in two variants to choose from: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage with extended RAM options. It has dual SIM option, so you can carry a single phone around instead of two. This 6.62-inch smartphone features 120Hz AMOLED display with 1300 peak brightness along with 300Hz touch sampling rate for an enhanced visual and user experience. It also features intelligent display chip with enhanced frame rate and all HDR for a smooth gaming experience. It also has a 6000 mm square graphite layer full coverage liquid cooling technology to get rid of heat quickly and evenly while playing heavily loaded games. The iQOO 7 smartphone has a triple rear camera and features a 48-megapixel OIS main camera with Sony IMX598 sensor to capture your memories in high definition. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G mobile platform, this phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. It also comes with a lithium-ion battery with 4400 battery power rating. The 66-watt flash charge technology helps with quick and easy charging. The box includes smartphone with pre-applied screen protector, translucent case, Type-C cable, power adapter, SIM tray ejector, quick start guide, safety information and Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.